viewers, my name is Natalia, and last week you all decided that I should create a Thanksgiving card, and it looks like this. So it's a turkey with a Japanese style fan attached to it, and when it opens up, you can see the invitation inside. Isn't that just cool? And even if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, you can still create this card, just make it into a peacock instead of a turkey. Now you decide what I should create next week by voting in the card above, and let's begin. Here's what you need to create this card. Now we need to find a turkey that we really like. Click on the chosen one, and if the turkey is a bit small in comparison to the popsicle, just make the image bigger. The popsicle is going to look like feathers, so you want it to look like it belongs with the turkey. Either print this image out or increase the brightness of your screen, place a regular piece of paper right on top, and then start sketching around the image. Then cut your turkey stencil out. If you've chosen an image like mine, you might want to separate the stencil even more just to add some different colors to the turkey. Moving on to the fan we need to create, the first thing to do is to make a hole in each of the sticks. So find the middle on the popsicle and make a mark. From the middle marking on the bottom, measure 1 centimeter inwards and then make a mark. And then repeat this process with the rest of the popsicle sticks. Then use your thumbtack to make a hole right in the marking you just made. And repeat this process with the rest of the popsicle sticks. Place all of your popsicles right onto the eye pin. Use your plier to close and twist the eye pin on the back, and then cut it off with another plier. The measurement of the paper that I'm using is right on the screen. Now find the middle on the long side and then make a mark. Take your ruler and then measure out 4 centimeters with your compass. Place the pointy end of the compass right on the marking and then create an arch. And cut it out. And you have to do this twice, one for the front and one for the back. Take the skeleton of the fan and then just spread the arms out so the space between them is even. And use your pencil to mark their placement. We need to glue each arm onto their placement, so put some glue on the first popsicle and then just use a Q-tip to just smear it out. And then glue it right onto the marked placement and press down to make it stick properly. Be gentle when you're repeating the process with the rest of the arms. When it's completely dry, cut off the excess parts of the paper in an arch. And also cut off the excess paper on the first and last arm. Take the second piece of paper and then align both arches. Place the fan right on top and then sketch around it. Now you need to write your message inside this drawing, and you decide whether it should be horizontal, vertical, or crooked. When you're done writing, we need to attach the front piece onto the skeleton. So put some glue on each arm and again use the Q-tip to just smear it out. And try also to put some glue on the sides of the arms as well. Align the arches before putting the front piece right onto the skeleton. Press down on the paper to make it stick, and also try to attach the paper onto the sides of the popsicle. Cut off the excess parts of the fan, then turn it around and then put some glue on the first and last arm of the fan. And again, use your Q-tip to smear it out. Then take the remaining paper from the front piece and then just bend it over and onto the glue. Leave it to dry completely before moving on to the folding part, otherwise you'll risk ruining the fan. Now before attaching our turkey, we need to bend the paper of the fan. So place your thumb right in between the arms, push downwards while bending, and then just slide the second arm right on top. Then repeat the process of pushing and bending the paper with your thumb and sliding the next arm right on top. Then press down on the whole fan to make all of the folds more obvious. Now I'm just adding some minor details in the shape of paper leaves, and if you're doing this, do this in between the arms so it don't really interrupt with the folding technique of the fan. Now we need to attach the turkey onto the fan and have the way you read the message in mind when you're gluing on the turkey. Now put some glue on the bottom of the fan and then attach the turkey. Press down to make a stick and then leave it to dry completely before refolding the fan. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, you can always make a birthday peacock. So just let your imagination loose and get creative. I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out of any future videos. And if you're looking for more inspiration, check out these DIYs here. And I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!